If you are new in graphic designing field, if you are creative and you think you can do wonders in this field, so my personal advice would be to start using the designs in a black and white format. Start your designs, put your designs in front of you, even logo, flyers, brochures, or whatever you want to do. Just do it first in black and white, because if it looks amazing in black and white, then no matter what color you put in, it will definitely look top notch. So I also start designing anything till now. I first put black and white colors in it, like grays of black, like shades of gray and white and light gray and dark gray, and then I see how it looks. So it's a tip. I've never seen anyone giving this kind of tip, but I'm giving it because I'm sharing my personal experiences. So try it.